Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about lipsticks. I recently stumbled upon an incredible deal that I just couldn't resist. 10 mini lipsticks for only Rs 249. After trying them out, I couldn't wait to share my experience. In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons based on my experience with this product. The MyGlamm Matte Mini Lipstick Kit compares 10 adorable mini lipsticks that promises a range of nude and bold shades. This kit is designed for women who appreciate variety and quality in their lip products, with claims of being long-lasting, creamy, moisturizing, and highly pigmented. So let's start with the pros. The kit features a delightful assortment of 10 shades that cater to various looks and occasions, from subtle nude to bold colors. This versatility allows for experimentation with different styles without the commitment of full-size product. The mini size of these lipsticks make them perfect for travel or for keeping in your purse. They take up minimal space and can easily be carried around for touch-up throughout the day. The lipsticks are richly pigmented, providing excellent color payoff in just one swipe. The matte finish has a sophisticated appearance that is ideal for both casual and formal settings. Despite being matte, these lipsticks have a creamy texture that feels moisturizing on the lips. They do not dry out the lips, which is a common downside of many matte lip products. Given the quality and variety of the shade, the kit offers great value for money compared to purchasing full-size lipsticks individually. This is particularly beneficial for those who want to expand their lipstick collection without breaking the bank. Now let's move on to the cons. While the mini size is convenient, some may find it too small for extended use. If you find a shade that you love, it might run out quickly, leading to the need for a replacement. Although the lipsticks are marketed as long-lasting, they may require reapplication after meals or drinks. While some shades have decent staying power, others may fade quicker than expected. While the variety is a pro, some users might feel that there are too many similar shades or that certain shades may not be suit all skin tones. This could limit the appeal of some colors within the kit. The packaging could be less luxurious than other brands, being somewhat basic and functional. This might be a consideration for those looking for more luxurious appeal in their cosmetics. As with many creamy lip products, these lipsticks can transfer easily onto cups, masks, or clothing. This aspect might be a drawback for those in search of a truly transfer-proof option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.